is that kind of thing?
So good.
That was the best food. There's that Macedonia place.
Huge. Could be all the way down there. These are the fucking party Nidri.
Oh wow, look at those restaurants, honey. Nidri's mad. You can hire those.
Yeah.
Like me and you can hire one tomorrow. Do you know what I'm like?
Yeah, and you could
Kind of terrifying, really. That's what we're going on, honey.
It's huge.
This is what we're going to go on tomorrow. All right, we're going to jump on this, go to Meganisi tomorrow. Can't wait. I'm almost tempted to drive on there, to be honest with you.
Would, and then we can just drive around because it's cheap.
Unless ATV it.
We could park and then ATV.
Oh, of course. That's exactly what we're doing. Yeah.
Oh my god, there's so much here.
Whoa. Nidri's mad. I didn't realise. Let's go in here and have a bit of a gaze. Whoa. I think we might have to. Wow. A lot of restaurants. Well, it doesn't end. Just full of them. Got pizzerias. Oh shit. What is that kind of thing? Still, like, it's a four-seater.
It's like what they do is they get people on there and they work.
So, we're going on that, honey.
Yeah, going over there. So waffles.
Whoa, packed.
Sexy cocktail.
Would you like a sexy cocktail? For €5, why not?
Another sexy cocktail.
Yeah. Sexy cocktails, guys. Love it.
Shisha lounge.
No way. That's that Borsolino travel. That's the ones that go directly there as well. Yeah. But we're going to go to Meganisi number 2, so
Yeah.
that's what we're doing.
Oh, it's me.
Is that your restaurant?
Yeah.
Okay, Linda restaurant. Wow. Every restaurant's pretty much packed.
No, the ones that aren't. And Italian.
So many Italian restaurants. I thought we were in Greece. Please.
Brits.
Oh, can we have one of those?
Everywhere.
I think I might actually have to have one, honey.
Beautiful spot.
It is. Really nice spot. Oh wow, it just keeps going. Oh, we'll come out this way.
Got a little bit of a breeze, like the
Tiniest bit of breeze ever. Actually, it was really cool up in Caria where we are
It is.
compared to here.
I like the shirts for you. But your nice pattern shirts.
Might have to have a gaze. Whoa, look at the amount of gelati. Look at all that gelati in there.
Gelati would be very cool. So,
Maybe I'll ask for
place is
that.
called Roza. Absolutely amazing. Gabriel, beautiful Calamari, everything is there.
That might be the best Gavros we've ever eaten. I think wrong.
Look at that lightly battered. So good.
Amazing.
Skinny asses
Something else is
in short glasses.
before we leave, we're going to give him a little fish.
Now, this is probably one of my favourite tavernas on this whole trip. I mean, I know we say that about a lot of them, but,
Yeah, but no, this
one's like
might
hidden
be-
gem.
Might be up there.
Roza. It's a different one, honey. There's one here.
No.
And then there's one over there. Yes, we're all coming. I would have all heard that I'm here. Every summer I'm coming here. Like that.
After about 5 of those,
Stavros the Gavros with its head. How do you say head in Greek?
kefali.
Kefali. Gavros.
Ah.
Parapoli. Oreo.
Parapoli.
How do you say Oreo?
Parapoli ωραίο. Really.
Εντάξει όλα.
Πολύ ωραίο.
Πολύ ωραίο.
I should say parapoli ωραίο. When they're telling you parapoli ωραίο, and I didn't even say it.
Absolutely.
What's this
stunning.
place called?
Roza. I'm
Must be.
turning into a Roza at the moment. So yeah. That was so good.
That was the best food that we've eaten so far in Lefkada.
Thought Stavros the Gavros could not
By
get any
far.
better.
By far.
That was amazing.
Yeah, that was great.
Like
No, it's not for
crispy,
dessert.
lightly battered. We
It's
can
not for
we
dessert.
can go to Tavernas and we can get crepe.
No, not even grapes, from Rania.
I'll probably get a crepe.
Oh, I'm
You
going to
know?
get a chocolate crepe.
We get
Chocolate crepe.
chocolate and maybe peanuts in them.
Shit me pants. Right, let's go.
That magalo grassi was polioreo.
Yeah.
The whole meal was
my
polioreo.
God, so bad.
Oh, yeah. Might have to get that one day. Ooh la la. No, the crepas are not as good as car yard. I'm sorry.
Or
but-
Caria. No, not Caria.
Car yard. Caria, car yard. Check this bloke.
What is that?
Bloke on a bike behind me. Couldn't hear that.
The German flag.
Is he German or is he just pretending to be
No,
German?
who's German?
Shit.
What was that?
Someone.
Oh, pink chairs.
Oh, cheers. Oh, that was delicious. I still can't believe how good that was. I didn't even take a video of the outside. Oops. $5 cocktail. Gross. But yeah,
I mean, if you want to get Paro,
if
why
you want to
not?
get Paro, there's $5 cocktails just at Centro Club. This place is just super packed that there's lineups. So many lineups. Except I personally think that Roza was one of the best tavernas.
Gelati's going off tonight.
Gelati is going off. Cranking. Meanwhile, Gabriel's racing to go home to get grepa.
I want Grepa so bad. Especially after half a litre of wine.
Oh. We've got to try the coconut grassi
Yes.
next.
How much is this Polaris? I'm gonna
It's huge.
Because I might even do it right now.
No.
No, I'm joking. But, honey, we're gonna have to hire this.
In Meganissi, like you said. Wow, tempting. Doors. Could easily hire that. Incredible.
Wow, that's a beautiful.
There's always something to do.
I do want to hire that Polaris though, one day.
Yeah, you should.
Just once.
And just drive around Lefkada.
Yeah. Just cruise around Lefkada for a day.
Quieten down here.
That's quiet.
Oh, no. Sorry, I think the grassi made me blind.
I want to go back to that place again.
Oh, we're going back to Roza. 100%. Paragliding as well. Supermarket. Can't believe that guy with the grapes. That's weird. Taxi?